Hi, I'm Taryn Grom, editor of PharmaVOICE magazine, on the floor of the 2010 DIA annual meeting. And I'm here with Mark Lanfear of Kforce.
Welcome to the PharmaVOICE Editors Take Video program. Let me ask you, as a leading flexible solutions provider for biopharmaceutical companies, what are the biggest trends impacting personnel placement?
Yeah, what we're seeing now, it's different than the old days. Pharmaceutical companies, years back, there were lots of them. We were growing, lots of easy drugs moving forward. And what you're seeing now is there's been a lot more challenges. And so we're seeing some shrinking, and honestly, our industry is sort of leaning towards some lean manufacturing. In the lean, you have expectations when you're placing people. They have expectations of types of salaries, the types of benefits that they used to get 10 years ago. And in working with new positions, well, they're just not there anymore. And so it's there's a readjustment, resetting of the trend that folks have to get used to in looking at new positions. But at the same time, folks are being challenged with the company they've been working with for 25 years is merging with another pharmaceutical company, and they're out there in the field looking. So we have a good basis of people out there, but it's sort of all of us getting used to what is the new economy of our industry.
That's excellent. Now let me ask you, how have the fields of clinical and medical research changed in the past few years, and what skills do candidates need to succeed in the future?
Probably the biggest thing that we've seen come into the industry is the instituting technology. So we've seen that now the FDA is accepting data all electronically is how they would prefer it. We have electronic data capture with the CRF, so the case report forms and the patient data, and really the skill set that is most useful moving forward is having the ability to use this technology. So computer skills, handy with the Microsoft suites that are out there, real handy with keyboards, getting used to your PDAs that you have and other personal devices. Years ago, really the biggest focus was your medical background. A lot of the industry was full of very strong physicians, nurses, PharmDs, and they were participating in the monitoring realm. And now it's really moving towards a place where not only do you need to have that science background, but you have to be able to have that technology background. I mean, look at the the iPad has just exploded, and it's the kind of tool that we're seeing in clinical research being used real quickly these days.
That's terrific. Thank you so very much.
Very welcome. My pleasure.